I guess they're in between chicks and chickens. I cleaned it up.
Oh, that one's growing. That girl.
A lot of them are growing. That's a boy. That one there has a. Yep, that's a boy.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Yours looks like a grown up. Yours looks like a grown up.
Almost. He still has some fuzzy. Look, all the boys still have like the white fuzziness on their backs and on their heads. All the girls already have most of their feathers. That's a boy. Are you a boy or are you a girl?
Oh. Whoa, what giant fucking face. It's a miracle. Oh.
Gentle, gentle. Gentle Catherine. Ow, ow. Radishes because I'm smart. As you can see, there's snow on the ground. But you know what? I think everything pretty much died. There's like a couple things left. But you know what? That's part of experimenting. I'm gonna leave the green that's in there and see how it goes and just reseed around it. Strawberries still look good. All the weeds look good, of course. That thyme survived. The rosemary is looking rough. Let's see what else is left. Look at that trooper. This kale is a trooper. Oh. Hey, look. Chamomile is still alive. What a trooper. Looks a little rough. But it's alive. Or mint. I think I'm going to be pulling it out actually. It just doesn't look good anymore. The goal is to have another bed here. I had laid down just to see how it looks. And I'm going to have another one of those here. And then all that's clearing out, and I'm going to extend all the garden raised beds all the way down to right there. And then on this side I'm going to have all the way to here. And then the goal is to have just enough space in between the beds and have some trellises, cattle panel trellises, arch trellises. It's just going to be probably 3 all in a row right here, and we'll have tomatoes all along that backside, or we'll have tomatoes in those 3 beds there, there, and there. We'll have tomatoes all down here, and tomatoes all along down here, possibly also, no. And then here is going to be something else. I don't know yet. I need to go look at my plans. Hey there, little baby tomato. Thank you. You want to water it? You want to water too? Give me. Good job. Oh, look, the little bitty one right there. Good job. Good job. All right, while she's watering, let me show you. We've got a black radishes that has sprouted. And we've also got a blueberries that has sprouted right there. Right there. We've got a super sweet one hybrid sprouting. And this guy is actually not under the light. I stick him in the window with those other three. See how it goes. Because I've got another one. Whoop. I'm gonna see what the difference is between that guy right there in the sunlight and the other ones here that sprout under the light. And I've got another one back here. Let's see if I can get close enough to show you. There we go. Got another little baby there. For a total of 4 out of all of these that have sprouted. You helping me water? No? You're not helping me water? Oh. Well, thank you.